right, so this is supposed to turn this charcoal gunmetal gray. Even though it's thoroughly mixed. In record time, I got the whole entire inside all sanded down, or at least roughed up. There's a few little detailed areas that I'm gonna have to come back and hit up by hand, and I'm gonna get the little wire wheel on a drill to get to some of those hard to reach areas. But for the most part, it's about 98 to 99% done, and just about almost ready for paint. So I got the inside painted. I went ahead and I did the camouflage pattern on the benches, the front deck, the walls. So now I got to go ahead and vacuum out all the debris from inside. I started to try out a couple different blacks for the floor. I went with a satin black back here, and I did a flat black on the front. I don't really like the idea of flat black because it gets chalky after a while, but the satin black left a bunch of shiny spots and streaks when it dried. So I'm gonna go with the flat black for now. Ultimately, I'm likely gonna put a phos floor on here anyway. I just wanna make this all uniform for now and get it out in the water, and then when I decide to go ahead and do a phos floor, I'll probably paint that to match this and lay down some marine matte or some non-skid. When I started to spray a few of the test areas, I noticed the surface was quite rough and making the paint lay down weird. So just kind of smooth it out a little bit again, so when I go ahead and paint it black, I have a nice smooth surface. I finally went and got some more paint. I was just about out of all the paints that I tried. I didn't really like the ultra flat black look for the floor. Definitely didn't like the satin black. So I ended up buying matte black. I'm hoping the matte black gives me a nice uniform finish. Also, of course, I don't know what happened, but the boat is filthy now. So I'm gonna have to vacuum it again, wipe it down with some wax and grease remover, and get to work painting, because this video's gotta be uploaded in a couple hours. Removing any grime or buildup, so when I go ahead and paint it, it's a nice and clean surface and the paint would adhere good. This is the stuff I'm using, Rust-Oleum wax and tar remover. A lot of people call this either Prep-All, pre-cleaner, pre-clean, Prep-Solve. Everyone has their own name for it, but essentially it's wax and grease remover, and it removes any contaminants off the surface, allowing your paint to stick and also minimize any kinds of reactions. All right, so I picked this stuff up, some marine weld from JB Weld. That was almost like the rope debacle all over again from the first episode. All right, so apply with appropriate tool in an even coat. Weld bead or extruded shape as needed. Sets in 4 to 6 hours. Allow 4 to 6 hours before handling and 15 hours before putting object back in use. All right, so go ahead and lay out a line of this. I don't know how much of this stuff I'm really gonna need, but we will find out shortly. That looks about even. All right, so this is supposed to turn this charcoal gunmetal gray. You'll know you're thoroughly mixed once you don't see any of the light gray or black anymore. So what you want to do is you want to get this inside the crack so it's filling the little void, and then also building up above it. So that crack is gone now. All right, so what I'm using is this Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. It says it's got 5x stronger adhesion, no peel guarantee. I went with matte black. I hope it turns out better than the other paint I tried did, because that did not look good. I was saving this piece of cardboard out of a package that we just received from Amazon. I knew it looked about right, and look at this, guys. It fits perfectly right in here to hit it with my little cut. I couldn't have even cut it as good as it fits. It is a perfect fit. Got all the camel done on the inside, got the floors painted in black. Just about ready to start rigging this thing out. So stick around. The next video is probably gonna include the rigging. I might do a will it float because I have yet to even put this boat in the water. I'm probably gonna jump on the trailer next, or I might rig it. Let me know in the comments what you wanna see next. The rigging of the boat itself, or getting the trailer overhauled. So let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If you wanna help support, you could go to shopestrada.com, pick up some apparel, some stickers, maybe some prints for your house. I'm launching memberships on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out below. Thank you guys, and let's keep this thing going. What are you doing? That's not a seat. That's not a seat. Stand up. You're gonna fall. No.